Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to export with a transparent background in Krita. First, you need true transparency in your document. You should see the checkerboard pattern behind your artwork where pixels are transparent. If your bottom layer is white or colored, hide it or delete it so only transparent areas remain. Next, go to the top menu and click File, then Export. Don't use Save As because exporting gives you options needed for transparency. In the export dialog, choose PNG, or a format that supports alpha like WebP. PNG is the safest choice for transparency. Give your file a name ending in .png and click Save. Now look at the PNG options window Krita shows. Make sure Store Alpha Channel Transparency is checked. This ensures your transparent pixels are preserved in the exported file instead of being filled with a solid color. Click OK. Krita will export your image with transparency intact. If you ever get a white or colored background in the export, make sure there isn't a solid layer below your artwork and that alpha is enabled in the PNG settings during export. And that's how you export with a transparent background in Krita. Thanks for watching.